Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you clicked on this video because today we're talking about something so important, your health. It's not about complicated diets or grueling workouts. It's about making sustainable changes that truly make you feel your best. We're going to break down 10 simple, actionable tips that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, small changes add up to big results over time. We're in this together, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. We all know breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but let's talk about why. Think of it as kickstarting your metabolism, that engine that keeps your body going all day long. When you eat a balanced breakfast with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, it gives you sustained energy, improves concentration, and helps you make healthier choices throughout the day. Trust me, starting your day right can make a world of difference. You know how important water is to a plant, right? Well, it's just as crucial for our bodies. Think of water as the ultimate life force. It transports nutrients, flushes out toxins, and keeps our organs functioning properly. Aim to drink water consistently throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you as a reminder. And pro tip, if you're feeling hungry between meals, try drinking a glass of water first. You might just be thirsty. Fruits and veggies. Chapter 4. Get moving. Find your fitness. Exercise isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. It's about boosting your mood, improving sleep, and reducing your risk of chronic diseases. Find an activity you genuinely enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, hiking, or playing a sport. The key is to move your body regularly and make it a sustainable part of your lifestyle. Chapter 5. Rest and recharge. Prioritize sleep. Sleep is when your body repairs and rejuvenates itself. It's essential for hormone balance, muscle recovery, and cognitive function. Make sure you're creating a relaxing bedtime routine. Dim the lights, put away your devices, and maybe read a book or take a warm bath. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Your body will thank you. Chapter 6. Sugar savvy. Cut back on the sweet stuff. We all love a little sweetness in our lives, but too much sugar can lead to weight gain, energy crashes, and an increased risk of health issues. Be mindful of added sugars in processed foods and sugary drinks. Focus on satisfying your sweet tooth with naturally sweet options like fruits or a small piece of dark chocolate. Chapter 7. Think of processed foods as the imposters of the food world. They're often stripped of nutrients and loaded with additives. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. These are the foods that are closest to their natural state, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Chapter 8. Stress less, find your calm. We all experience stress, but it's how we manage it that makes all the difference. Chronic stress can take a toll on both our mental and physical health. Incorporate stress-reducing techniques into your daily life. Try deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Chapter 9. Drink responsibly. Moderation is key. Listen, I'm not here to tell you to completely give up alcohol, but it's all about moderation. Excessive alcohol consumption can have serious health consequences. If you choose to drink, do so responsibly and within recommended guidelines. And remember, there are plenty of other ways to socialize and have fun that don't involve alcohol. Chapter 11. Regular health checkups. Think of regular health checkups like taking your car in for maintenance. You don't wait for something to break down before you get it checked out, right? Prevention is key. Schedule regular appointments with your doctor for checkups, screenings, and to discuss any health concerns you may have. That's it for our 10 tips to go healthy. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel empowered to make positive changes in your life. Remember, every small step you take toward a healthier lifestyle is a step in the right direction. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. And be sure to share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the message of health and well-being together. Now go out there and make it happen. I'm cheering for you every step of the way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment healthy below if you found these tips helpful.